Hi, my name is Ben. I am the founder and managing director of IO Close. Now, I first became aware of Xtreem Solutions when I solicited for a proposal on a work request platform. I received a number of proposals, but theirs stood out because Sam reached out to me. In fact, he asked me if I had any questions, and I took him up on his offer. And to be quite frank with you, I had no idea what I was doing. I knew that I wanted to build a custom website that was sort of a platform that aggregated a lot of data, that had memberships and so on and so forth. A lot of people told me that WordPress was the way to go, so I was sort of framing the proposal around that. When I described exactly what I wanted to do with Sam, he had a suggestion, and he thought that there was a better solution, and it turned out he was 150,000% correct. So after that call, I knew right away that they were the right people to work with because he listened, he was able to recite what I had said, and then also interpret really what my intent was, and then be able to support that with some technical expertise. When I actually got into working with the team, like Dinesh and Lokesh, these guys are absolute top-notch. I mean, Dinesh is so customer-focused. He was our business lead on the project. He was incredible. I mean, he's so customer satisfaction-focused. I couldn't think of a better partner to work with. He was able to interpret sort of what my sometimes foggy view from a technical perspective was with what I wanted to do, and able to translate that to the team to be able to deliver it. Lokesh, he has done an amazing job being able to really put together and build the platform that we have today. I must say that it's gotten tons of great feedback. It has gotten recognition within my industry. I feel very proud to have this as my platform and as something that is the face of my company. So yeah, I can't thank them enough. I think that if you're looking for someone to help with web development, maybe with some very unique requirements, I really can't think of a better company to go with. I know that it's been about a year now. I've worked with them. That project concluded in about 6 months or so. 4 to 6 months was the conclusion of that project. I've started a new project since. Now that I have members on the platform, I've been able to get some feedback. I've been able to figure out some of the designs that I had originally come up with that maybe they weren't so perfect for the industry that I was supporting. Again, that's all on me. But the point is that they are able to listen, interpret what my intent is, and execute at a high level. So, Xtreem Solutions, they have my absolute and positive recommendation. Best of luck.